Hello everyone. I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy in these tough times. My name is Ramdas Ran Singh and I am working as a psychiatrist at BKL Valavalkar Rural Medical College, Ratnagiri, Maharashtra, which is located in India. And I am here to talk on the behalf of all authors of our recent publication. First of all, I would like to thank my friend Victor Mariana and the World Psychiatric Association Early Career Psychiatry Section members for such a unique, innovative way for dissemination of our research findings. Dear friend, though the emergence of mental health problems during a pandemic is common, as we know from the past outbreak, it is a more difficult situation to plan, develop, and deliver the mental health interventions during the COVID-19 pandemic. For that, we have developed three interlinked conceptual frameworks to understand the epidemiology of mental health issues, mental health preparedness and intervention, and the potential outcome of these interventions. We all know the conceptual framework is the model to illustrate the variables, specify the problems, and gives the direction to the develop intervention and to plan the future research. First, we will discuss a conceptual framework of the emotional epidemic curve. According to our framework, an emotional epidemic curve will be a parallel curve to the epidemic curve, taking into the account of psychological aspects of COVID-19 infection, and we may experience the two peaks in the emotional epidemic curve, considering the single peak of epidemic. The first peak, which we are experiencing now, that is the fear, anxiety, panic episode, which is mainly due to the infodemic, that is excessive circulation of fake news and misinformation and mitigation efforts such as lockdown or social distancing. In second peak, we are more likely to experience the different set of disorders such as complicated grief, depression, post-traumatic stress disorder, and suicides. This may occur due to the economic and social disruptions, loneliness, and unexpected deaths of close ones. Secondly, to manage this COVID-19 related mental health issue, we need a solution. And that solution should be the sustainable, feasible, flexible, and affordable for each country or the region. For that, we believe that the early career psychiatrist mental health preparedness and action framework can provide a great help because it focuses on the important aspects of delivery of mental health care. That is the preparation and coordination, monitoring and assessment, sustainability of the mental health care services, and communication. We have extensively discussed this in our manuscript. Thirdly, the effects of well-planned mental health preparedness and action framework could be seen in terms of flattening of emotional epidemic curve, that is the reduction in the number of cases with mental health issues and reduce burden on existing healthcare services, including mental health care. Further, this framework will provide us more time to prepare the healthcare services and mental health care services. Therefore, we suggest that this conceptual framework can be used to monitor trends in the epidemiology of mental health issues and to optimize the efforts to develop the evidence-based mental health interventions and as a technical guide for further research regarding the pandemic. We request all clinicians, stakeholders, and researchers, policymakers to provide their valuable feedback on our conceptual framework. Thank you very much for your kind attention. Please find the link to our manuscript in the description of this video. Feel free also to reach us via email. Our contact details are provided in the paper. Thank you very much.